are given the parabola. Let me just quickly try and draw it. Right, and they say the graph of the parabola f is given intersecting the x-axis at m and 0, which is that point there, m and 0, and 2 and 0. Okay, that's given. Also, we are given the turning point there is a quarter and n, and that dotted line going right through the middle there is the axis of symmetry, which means the x-coordinate there would also be a quarter. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah. No, I understand that.
Okay, same x-coordinate there as there, up at the turning point.
Yeah.
Alright, and then they also tell us there's the y-intercept at 0 and 6, and there's a point k and 6, which also lie on the curve of f. First question, determine the value of k. Alright, so let's see what do you think we should do there, first of all, to determine the value of k.
I don't know. I don't know where to start on this.
Okay, you need to see something. You need to see that the y-intercept and k is on the same y value.
Yeah.
Do you see that? They share the same y value.
I see that.
Which means that line that I've just drawn is parallel to the x-axis.
Yeah.
This is a perfectly horizontal line. Which effectively means that distance there is the same as that distance there. It's symmetry. That's why we call that dotted line the axis of symmetry.
Okay, I understand that, but would that happen in every case?
Well, this specific question, it will happen in every case, but not all the questions require that. But this question does. Because remember, this question wants you to find that x-coordinate there. That's what we're looking for, is the x-coordinate of that point there, which is called k.
Yeah.
Now we know from symmetry that that distance there is the same as that distance there. So the question is, how far is that the left-hand side distance? From the axis of symmetry to the y-axis, what is the distance?
A quarter.
Yes, so what is the distance from the axis of symmetry to the point k and 6?
Half.
No, the distance is also a quarter, because the distance is the same, but then the x-coordinate would be a half.
Would be a half, yeah. Sorry, I thought you were asking for k there. Okay, alright, that seems quite easy. It's just I didn't see
that's it.
Like with the whole axis of symmetry, I didn't know you could take like a quarter and then that's
well, that's the reason why we are doing these questions.
I haven't done that.
Because but now you have.
Yeah.
Okay, the point of the fact, or the what do they call it? The point of the matter is that you can sometimes use symmetry. That's why we have an axis of symmetry.
Okay.
Alright, so now the second part of the question. Find the value of m. So what do you propose we do there?
I don't suppose you can do the same thing, can you? Because you're working...
Yeah, of course you can. You have to. The distance from there to there is the same as the distance from there to there.
Okay. So
what is that distance there?
Then what? That distance there. Okay. Would be 1.
Can't be 1. Remember that point there is a quarter. So from a quarter to 2 is how far?
A quarter. Well, it's 1 and 3/4. Oh no. Oh.
Okay, so now just go back. 1 and just delete that. 1 and 3/4. So what is a quarter minus 1 and 3/4? So now you need to be able to do fractions. So you need to say a quarter minus 1 and 3/4. Do you know how to add and subtract fractions?
Yeah, well, fractions always have been a problem with me, but I suppose you'd take the 1 and take it into an improper fraction. Yeah. And then then you can just
What do you
minus.
get?
So then you'll have negative 6/4.
Which
and
is
that would be negative 3/2.
3/2. And that's it.
Wow, that is really simple.
And that's your answer for M and K. Yeah.